Now in this video, we will look at how to edit images. Particularly here, we will see how we can convert bulk images into grayscale. So over here, I have 3 images, which are actually images of my books. So this is my React book. And then I have another 2. This is my notebook. And I also have a MERN stack book. So let's say I want to convert these 3 images into grayscale. Right, so again, I will just zip them up, right, and then I'll go to my code interpreter, all right, and I can upload them, and I can tell code interpreter, I have several images in this zip file, convert them to grayscale. Alright, it extracts the images from the zip file, begins to convert them. Okay. Ask me if I would like to preview. I say, no. So it will proceed to convert the images to grayscale. Alright, so the images have been successfully converted to grayscale and put in a zip file. So let me just download this zip file. Alright, and if I go inside the folder, you can see that my books have been converted into grayscale.